Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. Mathematics for beginner arithmetic. It is class 14. In this class, we will explain multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fraction, it is our title. First, we want to explain this title. We can multiply a fraction with an integer. We can multiply a fraction with an integer and a fraction with a fraction. For multiply the fractions, we multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. It is the concept of multiplication of fraction. First, we can multiply a fraction with an integer and a fraction with a fraction. For multiplying the fraction with if we want to multiply fraction with fraction, then we multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. It is the concept of multiplication. We use this method for multiplying fraction. Example, solve the following question. Question 1, 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 7, it is equal to numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator multiply. 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 7, it is equal to 2 into 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 4 by 21. 3 times 7, 21. It is equal to another question. 7 multiplied by 8, 3 multiplied by 5, it is equal to 7 times 8, 56, 3 times 5, 15. It is equal to third one, 9 multiplied by 11, 2 multiplied by 13. It is equal to 9 multiplied by 11, 99. 2 multiplied by 13, 26. Another example, here we have 3 fraction. 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. 8 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. It is equal to 5 multiplied by 2, 10, 10 times 1, 10. 8 times 3, 24, 24 times 5, 120. Here we have an integer and a fraction, so 3 by 5 multiplied by every integer can be written as 7 by 1. The denominator is here 1. Every number which they don't have denominator, the denominator is 1. It is equal to 3 multiplied by 7, 5 multiplied by 1, it is equal to 7 multiplied by 3, 21, 5 multiplied by 1, 5. Here we have a mixed number, 2.5 multiplied by 3. If we multiply this to, first we want to change the mixed number to the fraction. Here the improper fraction, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 by 2 implies multiply 3 by 1. 3 is an integer, 3 doesn't have uh, denominator, so the denominator is 1. It is equal to 5 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 1. It is equal to 5 multiplied by 3, 15, 15 by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Another title we want to explain division fraction. Dividing fraction. Dividing a fraction is nothing but multiplying the fractions by reversing one of the two fraction numbers by by writing the reciprocal of one of the fraction. It is the definition of division fraction. If we want to divide in two fraction, first we write another first fraction and second fraction. We make change it the division sign to multiplication, then change it then write the inverse of the second fraction, then we use multiplication, multiplying of fraction. Here if we have a by b divided by c by d, it is equal to a by b itself. We change the division sign to multiplication, and the second uh, fraction change it by its inverse, d by c. Here example 1, it is equal to 2 by 3. We change it division by multiplication. 1 by 2, we can write 2 by 1. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 1 multiplied by 3, 3. It is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 by 1. It is equal to 4 multiplied by 1, 4, 2 multiplied by 1, 2. 4 divided by 2, the result will be 2. It is equal to 3 doesn't have denominator, so we can write 3 by 1. We change the multiplication to division by multiplication, 5 by 3. It is equal to 3 multiplied by 5, 15, 1 multiplied by 3, 3. It is equal to 15 divided by 3, 5. It is equal to 8 divided by 1 multiplied by 5 divided by 7. 5 by 7. It is equal to 5 multiplied by 8, 40. 40 divided by 1 multiplied by 7, it is 7. Question 5, 11 divided by 10 multiplied by 5. 11 by 10 divided by 5. 11 by 10 multiplied by 1. Here 5 doesn't have the denominator, so denominator of 5 is 1. 1 by 5. It is equal to 11 by 1. 11 multiplied by 1, 11. 10 multiplied by 5, 15. Here 8 by 9 multiplied by, here we want to change the mixed number to the fraction 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2. It is equal to 8 by 9 multiplied by 2 by 5. It is equal to 8 multiplied by 2, 16. 5 multiplied by 9, 45. Here first we change this mixed number to the uh, improper fraction. 5 multiplied by 4, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 by 4. Multiply by 4 by 1. It is equal to 4 multiplied by 3, 12. We have 1. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. It is divisible by 4. 9 divided by 4, 2. We have 1, 1. It will become 12. 12 divided by 4, 3. 4 divided by 4, 1. 23 divided by 1. It is equal to 23. It is the result.